In this video, we will describe the set of integers in a simple and clear way. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to describe the set of integers and identify positive integers, negative integers, and zero. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. They do not include fractions or decimals. Positive integers are numbers greater than zero. Zero is neither positive nor negative. Negative integers are numbers less than zero. Integers can be represented on a number line. Numbers to the right of zero are positive, and numbers to the left are negative. Fractions and decimals are not integers. Integers are always whole numbers. Do not forget, integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and zero. They do not include fractions or decimals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons made easy.